Hey guys, Will here. Welcome back to our little video series on cleaning up my video editing and streaming PC. So if you watched the video we put out the other day, we showed you how to flush out the loop. We basically went through the process of flushing it with distilled water to try and remove as much gunk and build up from the last 18 months of neglect as we possibly could with this system, but we really quickly reached the conclusion that we were going to need to do some further disassembly and manual cleaning. So that is going to be the subject of today's video. We're going to get the loop disassembled, we're going to pull apart the water blocks, get them all cleaned up. Now we are going to be doing some upgrades to the system while we have it apart as well. We're going to be installing an EK Quantum Velocity DRGB water block, which is the same one that I have on my 9900K system. I wanted to get a couple of water blocks actually. I've got a brand new water block for the GPU as well, exactly the same as what's on it, plus the RGB strip. But I wanted to get a couple of water blocks here just so we could compare with the ones that we clean up and see exactly how they look compared to a brand new water block. So we will be installing the brand new ones on the system, but we will obviously be cleaning up as if we were going to reinstall the original ones as well. So hopefully by the end of today, the system will be back and running as it was when it was brand new, all looking spick and span, and hopefully no leaks. So let's get stuck into this.
colors fade and lights all fade. There's no need to be afraid. The sun is set and stars will shine. Truth and dreams will intertwine. If darkness drops and night will fall, we will answer when it calls. Where you lose lucidity, morning light will be the key. The sun will rise again. I can take you anywhere, surrounded by the silken air, waiting for tomorrow's dawn. Beneath the dusk we wish upon, the galaxy runs through our veins. Time will pass as space remains. But when you look for skies of blue, morning light will be a cue. The sun will rise again.
can see it, but I don't believe it. Baby, I can feel it, but I don't need it.
So there you go, guys. That is the manual clean of my editing and streaming machine. So all in all, probably about a day and a half to 2 days worth of work in there, but I was obviously stopping and recording and changing camera angles and stuff like that. So I'd say allow about a day to clean everything thoroughly. And yeah, as I said at the start of the video series, if you change your coolant more frequently than I did, this was about 18 months worth of neglect. If you change your coolant once every 3 to 6 months, generally speaking, you can just do a full flush and you won't have to pull everything apart and replenish it all like we did today. But I'm absolutely stoked with the results, really happy with the new water blocks as well. So now I've got to decide what I'm going to do with it. I could really use the money at the moment, to be honest with you guys, and I don't really need this machine anymore. So as much as I would hate to sell it, I mean, this thing cost me almost 10,000 Australian dollars 2 years ago when I built it. And I know that I'm not going to get anywhere near that net for it now, but yeah, I don't know. We'll have to do some thinking and decide. But if you are interested in buying it, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you are local to the Sydney area though in Australia. Otherwise it might be a little bit difficult to ship. But thank you guys very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments section down below. And as always, if you've enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subbed, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss future videos. And if you want to help support the channel, there are links in the description below as well as the join button there if you want to become a member and help us out. But thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.